So in this Discord tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to change your display name here through the Discord application. So open up Discord, go to the bottom right and press on the U icon. Once you're here, go to the top right and press on settings or the gear logo. Then once you're here under account settings, go down to where it says account and press on that. Then go down towards the account information and go to display name right here. Then you can go ahead and change your display name. So you can go ahead and change this. And then at the top right, you can go ahead and press on save and that'll edit your display name. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to change your display name here on the Discord application. Thanks again for watching and I hope this video helps.